and welcome to my channel. My name is Romany. If you're new here, welcome. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe down below. That would be fab. And today we are going to do a what I got for Christmas. What I got for Christmas. So I've been really enjoying listening. I've been enjoying watching what people had got for their Christmas gifts, and I thought I would share some of mine. One of my favourite, I got a Disney Minnie Mouse cup that says hers on the back. It's also got tea stains because I'm currently drinking from it. And Tom got his. So we've got a his and a hers. His and a hers Christmas mugs, or Disney mugs, not just for Christmas. Disney is for all year, not just for Christmas. So one of the first things I wanted to show you was this. Oh, it's a ginormous, snuggly throw, which I just want to cuddle it and carry it with me like a little security blankie. I got that from Grandad, so it's Tom's granddad, Millie's great granddad. He got me that. Oh, and it's lovely, 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 and lovely. Tom's auntie, or our auntie, got me a pair of slippers. Nice little comfortable, little slip your foot in. They don't have the hard bottom, they just have the gripper, the little rubber grips. She also got me some socks. I've already been wearing some of them, so I can't show you those, or I won't show you those. I think they're in the wash. But this is the pack that I haven't opened yet, and this one's got little unicorns on, and the other pair is pink. So there's one that's black and one that's pink pair, and they both have unicorns and the rainbows and all that. So cute. Love it. This was a little gift from Millie. This is the original Source shower gel, and it is vanilla and raspberry. And oh, it smells good enough to eat. Oh, that was this, not that. I always do that. So at Millie's school they did a you gave them some money and they went in what was it called? Secret shop, and it was for children to buy their parents a little gift, which I thought was quite cute. From Tom and Millie I got Sanctuary set. This is heel balm and hand cream. I haven't opened that yet. I've refrained from opening anything really until after I have shown you. I also got Sanctuary set. This has got body wash, body lotion, exfoliating body scrub, another hand cream, and a bath float. Such a geek. Star Wars wallet, and this has got R2-D2 on the back. Can you see that? And oh, R2-D2's inside. That always takes me ages to start using new stuff because I don't want to use it. I also got some Harry Potter pyjamas. So the top looks like that. It's super fluffy and snuggly. I love pyjamas so much. So much. It came with some slippers, some socks. And the bottoms are like that. So they're trousers with a wide leg. They're not elasticated at the bottom. You've got your elasticated waist, boing, and they've got stars and snitches, stars and snitches on it, from my brother and sister-in-law, my niece and nephew. I got a little, I took it out of the box then realised, I got a little selection, so a little L'Oreal selection. This is the Pure Clay Detox Mask, the Marcella Water, and a Mega Volume Baby Doll Roll Mascara, as well as the Hotel Chocolate set. This is the gin collection, a collection of gin, truffles, chocolates and gin. Mine. I'm not sharing. They also got me some vouchers. Oh, Tom's auntie also got me some Body Shop. This was the Coconut Festive Picks. This box is empty because I've already had a bath several times, you'll be pleased to know, and I've been using it pretty much every time I've got in the bath. So it came with a coconut shower gel or shower cream, coconut body butter, an exfoliating body scrub and a bar of soap, and it all smells absolutely delicious. Oh, I also got another Sanctuary box which has got some lotion, the body scrub, body wash and a bath soak. Love it, love it, love it. Tom's sister, so my sister-in-law, yes it would be my sister-in-law. She got me, her and her husband and my nephew got me some, oh bloody hell, Lush bath bombs and soap. So we've got the Bubble Bar Bright Side, oh my god, and it smells absolutely friggin' heavenly. So it looks like that. Oh my god, it smells like, oh it's all orangey and it's all, makes your mouth water. And what was the other one? The other one is a bath bomb and it's called the Avo Bath. Just looks like that. It's got a little, I don't know what that is, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. Right, so I need a whole day where I can just sit in a bath with these bath bombs, well, with this bath bomb, and just love life, really, because it smells absolutely freaking delicious. Also got this, the Harry Potter touch activated wall art. So I need to get some batteries to pop in there. That's cool. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but I will. And Tom did really well this year. Look what he managed to get his little paws on. Well done, Tom. Well friggin' done. Even though he said that I didn't need any more makeup, he knew that I needed this in my life. I will be doing a separate little video on this beauty, so I'm not going to open it or anything like that. I'm going to, oh, I don't know whether I can bear to open it. I also got some money, vouchers. I got some stuff from Ann Summers. Oh, what else did I get? Biscuits, bottles of alcohol. I can't think if I have put something somewhere and I've forgotten. I feel awful if I've forgotten to mention something. But that is all at the moment. At the moment, as if I'm expecting other presents to come flooding in. That is all that I can account for, which I haven't taken out of its box and put elsewhere or used or anything like that. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of everything that I got for Christmas. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Come on, just down there, press the subscribe button, and I will see you all next time. Bye!